So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to highlight text here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word once that is done. And then I want you to add some text into your design. So I will just type in highlighting text in Microsoft Word. I will then make the text, how about a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you want to highlight text, the entire thing is pretty straightforward. Just highlight the entire thing right here. Go to this option to make sure the home tab is selected. Go to where these colors are right here and press on this one right here. If you hover over top of it, it says text highlight color. Press on this. Or if you want to change the color, so for me it's green. If you want to change the color, you can highlight the text here, press on this drop down, and then change the color to whatever you're looking for. So if you want a blue highlight, if you want maybe a yellow highlight, whatever the case may be, that's how you can do it. Now, if you only want to do certain words, it works the exact same way. I'll just go to no color right here, highlight the certain word that you're looking for. So if you want to do text right here, then press on the highlight button, you can select whatever color you're looking for, just like that. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to highlight text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.